A true traditional cassoulet is a labor of love, but there are wonderful, easier versions that deliver all the comfort and flavor in a fraction of the time, often using canned beans and your favorite version of sausage meat. Here is a simplified one-pot recipe based on common shortcuts. Let's start with the ingredients. 3 slices of bacon chopped, 1 pound of sausage sliced into rounds, 1 small onion finely diced, 1 stalk celery finely diced, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 can of diced tomatoes drained, 1 cup of broth, 1/2 cup of dry white wine, 2 cans of beans drained and rinsed, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme chopped, and fresh parsley chopped for the garnish. Here are the instructions. In a large Dutch oven or heavy bottom pot, cook the bacon over medium heat until crispy. Remove the bacon with a slotted spoon and set it aside, leaving the drippings in the pot. Add the sliced sausage to the pot and brown on both sides. Remove the sausage and set it aside with the bacon. Next, sauté the vegetables. Add the diced onion and celery to the drippings in the pot. Cook, stirring frequently until tender, about 6 to 8 minutes. Add the garlic and cook for 1 more minute until fragrant. Build the flavor by stirring in the tomato paste. Cook for 1 minute. Add the diced tomatoes, chicken broth, and add and stir in the beans. Add some thyme. You can add salt and pepper later. Return the bacon and sausage to the pot. Reduce the heat to low and let it gently simmer, stirring occasionally for about 20 minutes to allow the flavors to meld and the broth to thicken slightly. Ladle the cassoulet into bowls. Taste and adjust seasoning as needed. Garnish with the chopped fresh parsley. Serve your dish. Thanks for watching. Wishing you the best on your own culinary adventures.
Alors, qu'est-ce que t'en penses?
C'est délicieux, mon chéri. Juste parfait.